Welcome to Hippies, Puppies, and Kitten Budgets. We have Oreo, Gizmo, Peanut, Wolf, Midnight, Carly, Socks, Pepper, Snowball, Patches, Cheetah, Boots, Tiny, and Trina too. Hey, good peeps. Happy Saturday. Alrighty, let's do this. Mm. I was looking all over for this. I had put it in here. So let me move this. I'm like, man, I thought I took out my Elephant 5K money. End up making an extra trip for nothing. All right, good peeps. How's everybody today? Pay no attention to the old forgetful lady, the voice that you hear. Alrighty. We are doing our Elephant 5K by the thrifty practitioner, Dr. Tara. Alrighty. Let's do this. Alrighty. Y'all know I usually take this out. So it can be out the way. Alrighty. We're saving $10 in our $10 Save Day Sunday. And that is going to be courtesy of Save with Judy. Judy pull cards and color in her gnomes. And each one of her cards have a number on it. So she adds her numbers up, and this past Sunday, it was $14. Let me get a cash tray. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 5, 100. Alrighty, we have 104 today. And this is a yearly challenge. And don't be scared of that $100. Put what you can. Just do, this is multiple challenges in one. Multiple saving challenges in one. So like you can just do the $10 and save 520 bucks. Or you can do the extra and we're saving $4 because like I said, she pulled 14. So we're gonna put the 4 in the extra. But for right now, we're gonna put this 10 in here. And I already wrote it. And it's 180, 100 in the bank, 50, 70, 80. Alrighty. Next up, like I said, extra. And right now, we put in 7, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 5, 5, 8, 8, 4, 4. Look at that. Oh, I didn't say. So it's $83, right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's adding up. Just putting in a little extra. 50, 70, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, and 3. Alrighty. That's adding up, y'all. Let me find an ink pen. There we go. 83. Alright. Just save something. Hey, put quarters instead of dollars. So put 4 quarters in there. You know what I mean? Just save. I'm telling you, once you start, it's going to be a difference. Alrighty, so we did save with Judy, her 10 and her 4. Now we're going on to no bucks given. Oh, I'm going to take this out of here. I don't need nothing confusing me. No bucks given. Alrighty. And for no bucks given, stop. No bucks given. We're going to color in the M for May. And then we're coloring in 2 flowers plus the numbers. Alrighty. Now y'all know I usually space out and forget how to count. So hopefully this is going to work for us. Alrighty. It should be $21. Alrighty. We got 2 flowers. So each flower is $5. Bonus flower save $5 each. Letter save $1. Alrighty, so we're at 10. We're at 11. Alrighty. 12, 14, 15, 17, 18, 21. Yay! Alrighty, 21. But no bucks given. Alrighty, that's gonna give us 329. Alrighty, 100 of my old bills, 200, 300. Those 200 are in the bank. 25, 27, 28, 29. Alrighty, 329. And y'all know last year I started the Elephant 5K in June and still saved over $4,000. So it's doable, people. Let's do it. Alrighty. Now we're doing hump day and we're saving the date, which is the 6th. So May the 6th. So we're gonna put in $6. Man, all out the line. That's gonna give us 2, 6, 7, 6, 7. 100 in the bank. 200, 20, 40, 60, 5, 6, 7. All right. Alrighty. Next is the Elephant 5K. Is the Elephant Small Bites. And hey, you might just want to do the small bites, you know? And I'll show y'all that page in 1 second. For the Elephant the Elephant Small Bites, we putting in $17. And when they say small bites, it's smaller bites. Here goes 7. Oh, I already filled that one. Here goes 17 here. This was 26. So you could have put 2 and 6 and made it 8. And again, you can always use quarters. One of our Build-A-Bank buddies used quarters and saved quarter for the 90-day. Instead of putting in dollars, she did quarters and saved $184. So hey, just save. She said, I ain't got no dollars for this. I'm going to use quarters. And she saved $184. Can't believe it. I'm put her page. Hopefully it's a page. I'm put her channel on here. If she don't have a channel, I'm just going to put her name. Because some of us over in Income Babes don't have channels. We just a budgeting community. And we don't have to have everybody don't have to have a channel. All right. Sorry about all that noise, because I know it's a lot of noise. I'm putting in $17. And it's right here. Pups in the house, they are knocked out. The garbage truck came today at 5:15 this morning. Luckily, I was already up. $17 because I had to pups it. Alrighty. 100, 50, 70, 80, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9, 200 even. Alrighty. 200 in the Elephant Small Bites. Alrighty. Now we getting ready for, as Dr. Tara say, the freaking weekend. I'm going to cross it off. And we putting in how much, y'all? Because what year is this? 26. So let's put in our $26. 25.26. All right. Now this one is adding up. All right. We have $4.94. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 70, 80, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, $4.94. We kicking the door open for $500, y'all. We're about to put a $500 placeholder in here. Ding, 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 y'all. When that happens, I didn't mean to say it in advance. Alrighty, and then we have our save the copays. And I'm adding $20, but I do mine at the end of the month. And these are the copays. We have wellness, primary care, vision, dentist, therapy, medication. All right. And we've been adding, I've been like doing a randomizer with it. So there it's adding up. Alrighty. What I should have made was a pet randomizer. Thinking about it. Alrighty. So that is it for our Elephant 5K this Saturday morning. And we will be right back with the birthday party. I said I was going to do the birthday party every day, and I am. All right, give me one sec. Be right back. Oh, please. Alrighty. I have $20 today instead of $25, but that's okay. Alrighty. This is Blessed Budget by Abigail birthday party. Her birthday was May the 1st, but she was like, forget this, y'all. I'm partying all month long. And she brought her friends to party with her. Look at that. It's a total of 17 of us. So that means it's a total of 21 of us. We have 17 challenges. Everybody else is donating a prize. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Alrighty. I think I'm gonna do today's party is on me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna add $5 and we're gonna call this one done. And this one is by Blessed Budget by Abigail. Alrighty. $20, $35, $6, $7, $8, $9, $40, $1, $2, $3. Ding, 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 ding. $43. $5, $9. Alrighty. Thank you, Barbie, for helping me get to $43. And all these challenges are available in our coffee shop. And Barbie has the pink numbers in there also. Y'all know that's her colors. Alrighty. Now I'm going to roll a die. A 16-sided die, so we can tell me which challenge we're going to do next. Even though I said I wasn't going to do it this way, but we're going to do it anyway. Alrighty, number 12. Alright, number 12. Hopefully I don't bump y'all again. Whoopsie. Kids' toys trying to kill me. Alrighty, Nikki to y'all. Alright, Nikki to y'all. 1. Alright, Nikki, we're going to do that again. 1 and 2. Alright, we had $3. Number 12. Let's see if we can put, oh, she already got a 5 in here. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, Nikki to y'all. Another $3. We just got 2 spots to finish. Alrighty, number 2 is Aries Journey, Joe. Okay, I started this one, so let me finish this one. Alrighty. 6 again. Joe like her 6s. Alright. Number 2. Okay. And I still don't see where I put the first one at. But it's all good. I can't wait to finish so we can... When I finish this one, I'm going straight to shut the box. I don't know why I didn't start at that one. Alrighty, 16. 16 is Pansy. Alright, Pansy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. 1, 2, 3. Wolf sounding like an old man when he sleep. Pansy budget. 16. Get in there. Please get in there. Thank you. All right, our last one because we have like $2 or $3. Number 7. Oops, don't you fall. All right, number 7. Number 7. I'm coming, y'all. Coming. 7 is books and budgets. And I do not have $5. I have 3. So we're going to just put 1, 2, and 3 right there. Alrighty. Number 7, boots and budgets, Irene. Alrighty. We'll be back tomorrow with another $20, $25 for the party. Alrighty. Coming up, we're going to be on that island, y'all. Oh, please. Sorry about that. It was a little, a doggy on my porch. About to bust through my glass trying to get my cats. Alrighty, good peeps. Alrighty. I do not like minute to win it. Alrighty, let's do this. Alright, let's do this. I pressed the record button instead of the timer. Yeah, I really don't like minute to win it. Alrighty, this time, let's do this one. Alright, let's go. 4, 4, 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4. Oh crap! 4, 4. I'm out of 4s. 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2. Oh, I'm out of 2. 1. Thank you. 1, 2. Come on now. 4, 3, 3. I need this 1, 1. Come on. 2, 1. Yay! Woo. Woo. I do not like these games. I got 5 minutes. Let me just double check to make sure everybody's crossed out. Man, yeah, I'm not liking minute to win it. Alrighty, now I crossed everybody off. Now hopefully, because you can only use 1 die, which I did, and play 4 rounds. And my WhatsApp is acting a what's food today. You must win 1 round not to be eliminated. Well, I won't be eliminated, but I need to find out if I have to do those 3 rounds. Alrighty. Yay! I'm not gonna put pass up here yet. Alright, good peeps. Give me 1 second because we're trying to survive on this island, and now we're going to find some treasure. Oh, please. Alright, good peeps. We are doing our treasure hunt. Alright. Alrighty, a collab from Lisa as she persisted in budgeting, and Andra at Traveling and Saving Chief. And this is quarter 2. Let me get my pieces out. Pups in the house, y'all. This is the money I didn't finish last month. I have 130 today. I'm going to leave this in here just in case. But we're playing with the saving challenges from the other pirates. So we should be able to go through some money. All right. Give me 1 sec. Okay. All right, guys. I thought I had money in here. All right, good peeps. I'm not adding my other pirates challenges yet because I really only went to a couple on my board. So I'm gonna wait to add mine. All right. Okay. Sorry, going for a ride. Alrighty. We're starting here. Okay. One. Alrighty. I'm sure this is a... Here it is. Let's read it upside down, why don't we? Hey, privilege. Peel edge. Okay. Too much. Ye peeled ledge too much. Roll a d12. Add that amount to ye treasure chest. Alrighty. I can't talk English, and you want me to talk pirate? Yeah. Alright, $5. Okay. Alright. I think I'm gonna go ahead and... Should I cross it out? No, I'm not. I'm gonna keep it. Alrighty. Put this here. Let's do this one. Alrighty, that is a D3. Ready? D3. $2. Okay. Puppy's about to bark. I think the little puppy that came back to my door. Alrighty, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty. I'm doing this one again. And that one is a D6. 6. Why keep grabbing that one? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Alrighty, here we go. Look ye towards the starboard side. Add $5 if ye be a matey, or 25 if ye be a captain. I am a captain. Alrighty, Captain Saver, that is. 30, take back a 5. Alright. 2, 1, 2. Alrighty, purple. Then I'm going to cross it out because we should be moving on to the challenges. Maybe one more go around. Ye be looking for the pirate that be from a land far away, that be mateys with the skeleton crew. Alrighty. I'm sure by now you guys have all your challenges though. I had somebody reach out to me, but she never emailed me. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty. Alrighty, well, we know this is Buccaneer. The two I had a problem with were this one, and I seen Danny do it, so I'm gonna cheat. And it was tightwad. Yeah, I would have never got that. $5 going in. 10, 20. Alrighty. Okay. And let's do salty. Another 5. Alrighty. I guess I could have did Buccaneer before I did salty. And we know that's winch. Stormy. I had to look. I seen scurvy on one of those. Other than that, I wouldn't have guessed it. I got this one because, okay, moving on. I moved it again, y'all. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it was here. Where's my puppy? Let me see if he'll stand. Yep. All right. 1. Okay. Oh. Ye upset captain. I think that's a you. To the brag with the. Oh yeah, ye upset captain. To the brig with ye. Save $5. The blooms or roll a d6. I'm gonna say $5. Okay. Oh. 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. All right, here we go. Hoist the colors. Add $2 if you be a matey, or $10 if you be a captain to ye treasure chest. Alrighty, I'm a captain. $10. Alrighty. I guess this round I will mark them off. I guess. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I said 3, but that clearly doesn't 6. Yeah, y'all. The brain is a terrible thing to waste. Alrighty, caution. To roll a d20, add that amount to ye treasure. D20. $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and knock that off. Oh, wrong die. 1. You know, when I finish these, then I'll move on to the other ones. That's how I'm gonna do it. Alrighty. What is that? A D4. $2. I'm gonna do one more because I'll be doing this all week. A D8. Do I have an 8? Did I pull out my 8? Alright. Oh, here it is. No, that's a 10. Hold, please. Y'all ain't holding. Alright, here's the 8. Alright. 2. Alrighty. So that was 8. So that's 10, 11, 12. Alright. Okay. 6. Oh, where's my puppy? Dog it. I was somewhere over here. Alright, I'm a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where did I go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like my real pups. Don't know how to keep their butt where they're supposed to be. I guess we do Buccaneer and Winch. B-U-C-C-A. I guess I should have crossed it out like Danny did. Winch. Alright, $10. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 2 more, 4 more on those. And 2, 4, 6 on here. Alright. 2, 1, 2. Alright. We're doing a D12. What was this one? That was a D20. 30. 10. Alright. And let's do one more. D6. 6. Alright. Alrighty. That's how it fell over last time. I booted it out the way. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Stormy. And I only got scurvy because I've seen it on something. Alright, $10. So these two. Alrighty. I got that one. I didn't have this one. Alright. And then we have 2. Oh, we just 2, 4 left. Okay. Alright. 2, 1, 2. Alrighty. Why don't I just leave them sitting here, right? A D4 and then a D4. 4 and 1. $5. Alrighty, we got 2 left. I'm gonna finish them, y'all. A D3 and a D8. 3, $2. 8, $6. 2, 6, $8. Put $2 in. 1 and 2. $10. Alrighty. Finish with that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Alrighty. Back here. Add $5 to my doubloons or roll a D6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna go ahead and make it a 6. Alrighty. Then we're gonna knock that one on out. Now, remember I told y'all I didn't spend all my money last time. I think my back was running the show. So I called it. Move that over there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 110, 115. Alrighty. Let's see if we can finish this. Let me get this. Let me break this change down. I know y'all don't probably want to see it, but this video probably long enough. Give me 1 sec. Alright. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Okay. Alright, it's this one. Alrighty, the pirate you be looking for be a hoarder of sparkling gems and many kinds of cards of torture. Alright. 3. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. This was gunpowder and barnacle, which I did not get, but I seen Danny with it. And gunpowder I had. Alright, $10. $20. Alrighty, we finished with that, and we finished with this one. Alrighty, we're gonna call this. Give me 1 sec, and let me put my challenges in. Hold, please. I was standing up here talking. Alrighty, my mic died, and the little puppy keep coming to my front door, setting off my alarm. So I'm going to find out who he belongs to. I put 49. This was 50. That was 49. So 99 went into map games. This map games. I already put it in there because I thought y'all were here with me. And then 41 went into quarter 2. And the rest of this we're going to save for next week. So let me put it back in the front. Alrighty. And quarter 2 consists of budgets and chaos, budget your life, hippies, puppies, kittens, budgets, ready, budget, go, Danny Craft Code budgets. I'm sorry, this is not just quarter 2, this is everybody who's in. Dragonfly Save, Simply Living Save, Budgeting by Amy, Budget with Mama Bear, The Nightlife, Frugality is Life, April 1st Start, My Girl Budgeting, Step on a Budget, The Dramatic Panda, Becca Budget 777, Mirror's Way of Life, and Little Green Cottage. Alright, good peeps, I will catch you guys tomorrow for collab day. Maybe if we don't take forever, I can do this again. All right, good peeps. Stay groovy. Peace.